Learn English easily with simple, real-life conversations.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Real Talk English Now. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. How are you today, Emma?
I'm great, James, and I'm so excited about today's episode. We're going to talk about traveling by plane.
Oh, no. Emma, I have to be honest. I am a little nervous about flying.
Really? Why?
Well, airports are so big, and there's so much English to understand. Check-in, security, boarding, it's a lot.
Don't worry, James. That's exactly why we're doing this episode. Today, we're going to learn all the important phrases you need at the airport.
That sounds helpful. But first, Emma, I have a question for you.
What is it?
I have my passport, my carry-on bag, and a very confused parrot named Cooper. Am I ready?
A parrot named Cooper? James, I don't think you can bring a parrot on a plane.
Oh, no. Really?
Yes, really. But don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what you need and what to say at the airport.
Perfect. Listeners, if you're enjoying this episode, please like and subscribe. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
That's right. And remember, you can listen to this episode as many times as you want. Repetition is the best way to learn.
Okay, Emma, where do we start?
Let's start at the beginning. When you arrive at the airport, the first place you go is check-in. So, James, imagine you're at the airport right now. You walk inside and you see signs that say check-in. What do you do?
I check in?
Yes, but what does check-in mean?
Good question. I'm not sure.
Check-in means you show your passport and ticket and you get your boarding pass.
Boarding pass? What's that?
A boarding pass is like your ticket to get on the plane. It shows your seat number and gate number.
Oh, I see. So check-in is important.
Very important. Let's practice a conversation. I'll be the airline worker. James, you're the passenger.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Wait, Emma, stop. What does checking bags mean?
Good question. Checking bags means you give your big suitcase to the airline. They put it on the plane for you.
Oh, so I don't carry it with me?
Exactly. Your big suitcase goes under the plane, but you keep your carry-on bag with you.
Carry-on bag. Is that a small bag?
Yes, it's a small bag you carry onto the plane. You keep it with you during the flight.
Got it. Okay, let's try the conversation again.
Perfect. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check.
Great. Please place it on the scale.
Emma, what's a scale?
A scale is a machine that weighs your bag. It checks how heavy your bag is.
Oh, so they want to know if my bag is too heavy.
Exactly. If your bag is too heavy, you might have to pay extra money.
Wow, good to know.
Okay, let's continue. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Emma, what's the difference?
Great question. A window seat is next to the window. You can see outside.
That sounds nice.
It is, but some people prefer an aisle seat. That's the seat next to the aisle.
What's an aisle?
The aisle is the path in the middle of the plane, the space where you walk.
Oh, so an aisle seat means I can get up easily?
Yes, if you need to go to the bathroom, it's easier with an aisle seat.
I think I want a window seat.
Wonderful. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight leaves from gate 15 at 2:30 p.m.
Thank you.
That was great, James. Good job.
Thanks, Emma. Let's repeat those key phrases. Listeners, repeat after us.
Emma and James, may I see your passport? Are you checking any bags? Window seat or aisle seat? Here is your boarding pass.
Perfect. You're doing great, everyone.
Okay, James, you have your boarding pass. What's next?
I go to the gate?
Not yet. First, you have to go through security.
Security? That sounds scary.
It's not scary. Security is important for safety. They check to make sure everyone is safe on the plane.
What do they check?
They check your bags and your body. They use machines to look for dangerous things.
Oh, okay. What do I need to do?
Good question. First, you wait in line.
Wait in line means stand and wait with other people, right?
Exactly. Very good, James. Then, when it's your turn, you put your bags on a conveyor belt.
Conveyor belt?
It's like a moving table. Your bags go through a machine that takes pictures of what's inside.
Interesting. What else?
You also need to take some things out of your bag.
Like what?
Your laptop or tablet. Big electronics need to come out.
Okay, laptop out. What else?
Liquids. If you have water, shampoo, or any liquid, it must be in a small bottle.
How small?
Usually 100 milliliters or less, and all your liquids must fit in one small plastic bag.
Wow, that's a lot of rules.
I know, but don't worry, there are signs at the airport to help you, and the security workers will tell you what to do.
That makes me feel better.
Let's practice. I'm the security officer. James, you're going through security.
Okay.
Next, please. Please place your bags on the belt.
Okay. Here's my carry-on bag and my jacket.
Do you have a laptop or any electronics?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Please take it out of your bag and put it in a separate bin.
Emma, what's a bin?
A bin is a plastic box or tray. You put your things in it.
Oh, okay. Here's my laptop in a bin.
Thank you. Please also remove your shoes, belt, and anything from your pockets.
My shoes, too?
Yes, in many airports, you need to take off your shoes.
Okay, shoes off, belt off, pockets empty.
Great. Now please walk through the metal detector.
What's a metal detector?
It's a machine that looks like a door. It checks if you have any metal on you.
Like keys or coins?
Exactly. That's why you empty your pockets.
Got it. Like this?
Perfect. Thank you. You can collect your belongings.
Collect my belongings?
Yes, belongings means your things. Take your bags, laptop, shoes, and jacket.
Oh, belongings is a useful word.
It is. Okay, listeners, let's practice some important security phrases. Repeat after us. Emma and James. Place your bags on the belt. Take out your laptop. Remove your shoes. Walk through the metal detector. Collect your belongings.
Excellent work, everyone. You're improving already.
That's right. Security might seem difficult, but if you know these phrases, it's easy.
Now can I go to the gate?
Yes, let's talk about finding your gate and boarding the plane.
Emma, I'm through security, but the airport is so big. How do I find my gate?
Great question. Look at your boarding pass.
Okay, I'm looking at it.
Do you see a number like gate 15 or gate B7?
Yes, mine says gate 15.
Perfect. Now look for signs. The airport has signs everywhere that say gates with arrows.
So I follow the arrows.
Exactly. You follow the arrows to your gate. Easy, right?
Yes, but Emma, what if I can't find it?
Then you ask someone. You can say, "Excuse me, where is gate 15?
Let me try. Excuse me, where is gate 15?
Perfect pronunciation, James. Good job.
Thanks. Okay, I found gate 15. Now what?
Now you wait. Sit down and relax. Listen for announcements.
Announcements.
Yes, announcements are messages over the speaker. They tell you when it's time to board.
To board means to get on the plane, right?
Exactly. You're learning so fast.
Thank you. What will the announcement say?
Let me give you an example in announcement voice. Attention passengers on flight 205 to London. We are now boarding.
Oh, so boarding means it's time to get on the plane.
Yes, but they don't board everyone at the same time.
Really? Why not?
They board in groups. First, they board people who need extra help, like families with babies or people with disabilities.
That's nice.
Yes. Then they board by zones or rows. Your boarding pass will show you your group number.
So I wait until they call my group.
Exactly. Let's practice. I'll be the gate agent.
Okay.
Attention, we are now boarding Group 1. Passengers in Group 1, please come to the gate.
My boarding pass says group 2, so I wait?
Yes, you wait. Attention, we are now boarding Group 2.
That's me. Now I go to the gate.
Yes, you get in line and show your boarding pass.
Like this? Here's my boarding pass.
Thank you. Welcome aboard. Your seat is 22A.
22A. How do I find that?
The numbers are on the overhead bins. Those are the compartments above the seats.
The compartment's where I put my carry-on bag.
Exactly. You're so smart, James.
Thanks. So I walk down the aisle, find row 22, and look for seat A.
Perfect. Seat A is the window seat, seat B is the middle, and seat C is the aisle.
And in bigger planes?
Bigger planes have more seats, like A, B, C on the left and D, E, F on the right.
Got it. Emma, what if someone is sitting in my seat?
You can say politely, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat. I have 22A."
Let me try. Excuse me, I think this is my seat. I have 22A.
Perfect. That's very polite.
Okay, I'm in my seat. What happens next?
The flight attendants will make announcements about safety. Just listen and relax.
Flight attendants?
Yes, they're the people who work on the plane. They help passengers and serve food and drinks.
Oh, like cabin crew.
Exactly. Flight attendant and cabin crew mean the same thing.
Great. Listeners, let's practice these boarding phrases together. Emma and James. Where is gate 15? We are now boarding. Here is my boarding pass. Where is seat 22A? Excuse me, I think this is my seat. I have 22A. Wonderful. You're all doing so well.
Emma, we covered a lot today, but I have more questions.
Of course. What do you want to know?
What if I'm thirsty on the plane?
You can ask the flight attendant. Say, "Excuse me, may I have some water, please?"
May I have some water, please? That's polite.
Very polite. You can also ask for juice, coffee, tea, or soda.
What about food?
On long flights, they usually serve meals. But you can also say, "Excuse me, do you have any snacks?"
Excuse me, do you have any snacks? Got it.
And if you're cold, you can ask for a blanket.
How do I say that?
"Excuse me, may I have a blanket, please?"
May I have a blanket, please? Perfect.
What if you need to use the bathroom?
I just go, right?
Yes, but make sure the seatbelt sign is off. When the sign is on, you must stay in your seat.
Oh, safety first.
Exactly. And in the bathroom, we say lavatory on a plane.
Lavatory. That's a fancy word.
Yes, but bathroom is okay too. Everyone will understand.
What if I feel sick?
Tell the flight attendant immediately. Say, "Excuse me, I don't feel well."
I don't feel well. Simple.
They'll help you. They might give you a special bag or some water.
Emma, what about when we land?
After landing, stay in your seat until the plane stops completely.
Then I can get my bag?
Yes, get your carry-on from the overhead bin, but be careful. Things might have shifted during the flight.
Shifted means moved?
Yes, so open the bins slowly.
Good advice. Then I leave the plane?
Yes, follow the signs to baggage claim if you checked a bag.
Baggage claim.
That's where you pick up your big suitcase. Look for your flight number on the screens.
And then I'm done.
Then you're done. Welcome to your destination.
Wow, Emma, I feel so much more confident now.
That's wonderful, James. And listeners, you should feel confident too.
Let's review these bonus phrases.
Em and James, may I have some water, please? May I have some water, please?
Do you have any snacks?
May I have a blanket, please?
I don't feel well.
Where is baggage claim? Excellent work, everyone.
Emma, we learned so much today. Let's review the key phrases.
Great idea. At check-in, remember these phrases.
May I see your passport?
Are you checking any bags?
Window seat or aisle seat?
Perfect. At security,
Place your bags on the belt.
take out your laptop.
Remove your shoes.
Great. And when boarding,
Where is gate 15?
we are now boarding.
Here is my boarding pass.
Excellent. And on the plane,
May I have some water, please?
I don't feel well.
Wow, that's a lot of useful English.
It is, but remember, you don't need to memorize everything today.
That's right. Listen to this episode many times. Repetition helps you learn.
And practice. Next time you're at the airport, try using these phrases.
Don't be shy. People want to help you.
Exactly. Making mistakes is okay. That's how we learn.
Now, listeners, we have a fun question for you.
Yes, we want to know, where would you go on your dream vacation?
Would you visit Paris, Tokyo, New York, the beach?
Tell us in the comments. We love hearing from you.
And remember, if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
It helps us create more free English lessons for you.
Next week, we're going to talk about ordering food at a restaurant.
That's right. More useful everyday English.
Until then, keep practicing.
And remember, you're improving already. Good job.
Thank you for listening to Real Talk English Now.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.